Let's take a look at the Fisher and Ury approach to conflict. One of the most recognized approaches of conflict negotiation in the world was developed by Roger Fisher and William Ury. Derived from studies conducted by the Harvard Negotiation Project, Fisher and Ury provide a straightforward, step-by-step method for negotiating conflict. This method, called principled negotiation, emphasizes deciding issues on their merits rather than competitive haggling or through excessive accommodation. Principled negotiation shows how you obtain your fair share decently and without having others take advantage of you. The Fisher and Ury negotiation method comprises 4 principles. Each principle directly focuses on one of the 4 basic elements of negotiation: people, interests, options, and criteria. Effective leaders frequently understand and utilize these 4 principles in conflict situations. To be effective in dealing with conflicts, both the problem factor and the people factor need to be addressed. In particular, Fisher and Ury argue that people factor needs to be separated from the problem factor. Our personalities, beliefs, and values are intricately interwoven with our conflicts. However, principled negotiation says that people and the problem need to be disentangled. By separating people from the problem, we enable ourselves to recognize others' uniqueness. By focusing on the people aspect, we become more aware of the personalities and idiosyncratic needs of those in whom we're in conflict. The second principle, which is perhaps the most well-known, emphasizes that parties in conflict must focus on interests and not just positions. Positions represent our stand or perspective in a particular conflict. Interests represent what's behind our positions. Your position is something you've decided upon. Your interests are what caused you to so decide. Focusing on interest expands conflict negotiation by encouraging individuals to explore the unique underpinnings of the conflict. The third strategy in effective conflict negotiation is to invent options for mutual gain. This is difficult to do because humans naturally see conflict as a win or lose proposition. The method of principled negotiation emphasizes that we need to brainstorm and search hard for creative solutions to conflict. We need to expand our opinions and options and not limit ourselves to thinking that there's a single best solution. Used together, these strategies can provide a well-sustained approach to setting conflicts in a way that are likely to be advantageous for everyone involved.